I am planning to learn automation testing engineer course, but many candidates are there suggesting that you have to learn the any one programming language to become a automation test engineer. Is this true or not? Is this really a need to learn any one programming language to become a automation test engineer? So this doubt raised by many beginners and doesn't know about anything related to automation testing course. So if we choose any one programming language, suppose if you choose Java programming language, then what are the key skills? What are the Java key skills are required to become a automation test engineer? So as a beginner or fresher who want to learn or who want to become a automation test engineer, first they first they are directly taking the selenium course without having any knowledge what is the exact road path, what is the exact road map to learn the automation testing course. They're directly attending the selenium classes, but don't do this, guys, because if you directly learn the selenium course, you may not understand those selenium concepts. The reason is whatever application you are developing, whatever test cases you are writing using selenium concept totally depends on the on programming language. In this video, I'm choosing the Java programming language because it is one of the more popular demand jobs in IT industry for automation test engineer. So without knowledge of Java programming language, if you try to start learn selenium course, then after a week or after 10 days you will realize that I'm not understanding anything, because you are from non-computer science background candidate, or you are from and you are having some career gap and you doesn't know anything about programming concepts, but you directly start to learn the selenium course. Then you realize that so this course is not going to work out to me. Okay, I have to stop here. I have to take one more course. Instead of learning automation testing course, I will take performance testing or RPA or any other tool you are trying to learn again. Before doing this kind of mistake, so you have to first learn the some core Java key skills which are relatively useful for automation testing course. Okay, then what type of key skills are then what type of Java key skills are mandatory for automation testing? You don't need to learn entire Java programming language. Only you have to mainly focus on core Java concepts. Java Standard Edition, J2SEN. Now let's talk about what are those Java key skills are frequently used while you are developing the test cases using Selenium automation tool. You must have understanding of what are the variables in Java programming language, and what are the control statements are available in Java programming language, like if else, switch, for loops, while loops. Okay, like this you have to know. And then methods, you must have knowledge on methods. What is method? How you can call method from one method to another method? How many types of methods are there? Okay, so you must know these things. And then what is a constructor? How we can call the constructor? How we can call the constructors? How many ways we can call the constructors? And then you should know object oriented principles concepts. OOPS concepts means inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. Along with these concepts, you should know like this keyword and super. Okay, so after having sound knowledge on these OOPS concept, you can start to learn a Selenium course as well. After completion of these concepts, then you can parallelly learn the Selenium course also along with the core Java concepts. Try to learn collections framework, like basic knowledge is enough. List, set, map, these three things are enough for automation testing skills in the collections framework. Okay, and strings concept is required, and arrays concepts also required. Okay, but basic knowledge of exception handling and multi-threading concepts, it's the added advantage. Okay, so mostly you have to work on OOPS concepts, constructors, methods, okay, and interfaces concept, and exception handling concepts. You have to work on more and more, and at the same time file input output as well, file input stream and file output stream, buffer reader. So these are the main key skills for Java to become a automation test engineer. Okay, so in these days competition is very high. Or having sound knowledge and multi skill set, then the companies are preferring those candidates only. Okay, if you still have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. So, and if you found this information really helpful, and don't forget to share to your friends. So do me a favor, hit the like button to reach more people. Okay, so I will come back with one more and useful video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.